He's a macho, macho man. Come on, baby. Feathers fly, he gets by. It's like a bit of fight that's going on. It's his muscle, it's a test. And lots of feathers on his chest. Slickest bird in the nation. He's a macho, macho man.
Here. Yeah, you want it? Where are we going?
To Riley.
And what are we getting?
Getting cookies part 2.
Getting cookies.
Part 2.
Part 2.
Did I show you the meme? Of Baby Yoda, it's like he's smoking a cigarette and he says, so technically, ice floats in a bath of its own blood.
That's a really good meme. Are you gonna sing Coconut Man and drop everything again? Don't drop it. Oh, careful, yo. Okay, I believe you. Let's go. Yo, we got cookies, we got cake, and you picked Sour Patch Kids. Naruto run. Can you Naruto run? Yeah! Laundry's dropped off. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I'm better go drop off my dad's laundry and pick up mine. I think Mike and I are gonna go on a little road trip, just get out of the city and like see freaking nature again. I got it, let's go. I've been awake since like sunrise, 6:37, and it's only like 8:30 now, and I feel like I've just gone back to sleep and have slept in and out for like 3 hours, but that's not the case. I don't know what we're about to do. We're gonna chill here for a bit at this rest stop, get some breakfast, skate maybe.
Hey, brought me back for a quarter of the cheesecake. 120 and we riding on the freeway. No laces, baby facing, dream chasing, coming out the basement. Why y'all hating? I'm in my place, man. I can't contain it, man. We got like spaceships, 250 on the basics. Be the case, that is how we make it. Yeah. I'm about to take it.
this building over here, but we're at the skate park. I don't know if we're gonna skate it. I don't know what's up. This bitch is filming it. Are you kidding? There's an outlet. And there's this bench here that looks like a skateboard. Iconic. So we ended up skating for probably like a good half hour, and then we got kicked out. I did not vlog at all. I just left my phone in the car because I knew we were gonna get kicked out. At least the guy was kind of nice about it. Now we're getting gas and then driving home. Just one train, that's it. Yeah, that's what I was saying when we drove by. I was like, yo, look at this train station. Wait till you see the other side of it, yo. Yeah.
Moved the underground like Harriet. Took my ego, then buried it. Popping out here like a cherry is. Getting twisted like a cherry stem. Life is gotten pretty scary, man. Mind more clear than therapist. Try telling that to my therapist. I ain't passing out to the blunt, passed around. Passed that more than I did the F-Cal. Floater boy, big facts, I don't like the cold. Unless I got snow bunnies, white holes, money foes, typical rappers.
No. Yo, what? Go for it, try it again.
I don't know what I'm trying, but like I'm trying.
Alright. Yeah!